Hi guys, in this module I want to show you how you can bring a Visio diagram into a Word document and why you might want to do that. So first of all, I'm in Word and I'm going to try and do a simple flowchart using the Word tools. So let's have a quick look. Shapes is where I'm going to go. Shapes, I can either use the rectangle shape or further down you've actually got flowchart shape, so I'll just use that one. Draw. And just to make a point, I'm just going to copy this down with my control key and like so. Just need 3 shapes. Now what you have to do there is you then have to link these up like so. Now there's a problem straight off because I'm not getting any circles appearing, and what is going to happen now, even though that looks okay, if I move that shape it loses the connection. There is no connection. So what you have to do in Word to achieve shapes that will stay together is this: you have to first of all insert shapes, create a drawing canvas which is right down the bottom here, and then insert the shapes inside the drawing canvas. I'll just use rectangles, but you see the difference. So again, I'm just going to copy a couple of shapes, 3 shapes. Now watch what happens if I click the elbow connector. I get the circles and I get the circles. So now if I move that around, this stays with it. I didn't connect it to the top one properly. Just pick it up again, sit it on top of one of the circles. It should then be glued into position like so. Now you don't have to do that in Excel, but you do have to do that in Word. You can set the drawing canvas as a default option in Options, otherwise it's not going to be on, and then you would have to do this yourself very manually like so. So that's what you have to do in Word, and even then I'm not getting that top connection on correctly. That's it, I think. If I move that middle one it should stay. Yeah, it does. But they are sitting inside this drawing canvas, and that's how you would achieve a flowchart with connectors that stay together so you can maneuver shapes around the screen in Word. Now if I just close that off, if I do Control A and delete everything, delete the canvas, so I've got no canvas. Another way of doing that, a better way I think, is you can go Insert Object, which is over here, Object, and then if you've got Visio already created you can search for it, or if it's going to be a blank one you just scroll down for it, which is what I'm going to do. Visio drawing, that one. If you've got an older version, that one. Okay, and then it will embed a Visio diagram into this Word document. It gives you the options down the left hand side of different categories. There's flowcharts. I just want a basic simple flowchart, but there you can see there are other ones that you could select, so just click on this one and then it will load that stencil, and just go back up the screen a bit. Just cancel that off. Okay, so it's just had a window open there, so just need to close that down, and then here is the Visio stencil or diagram embedded into this Word document, which I just need to make a little bit bigger. Obviously it can't be too big because of the size of the page, but let's have a look what happens here. I drag a shape, that's going to come onto the screen, and if you activate the connector tool, what you can then very quickly do is just put shapes in there and it will connect up automatically whichever way you go. And then you've got this little tool, so I could go that way and then I could come down, do that one, and then come back across, do that one, and then if I want to I can come down and draw a line there manually. But very quickly I'm able to draw a diagram, and if I knock the pointer tool on, then you can just type in there whatever your process is, These are decision symbols, so yes, no, step 2, and so on. Step 3. And you can see how this works. And then when you've finished with your diagram, you just click back onto your Word document, and that will be embedded into the diagram, like so. Now, I've gone a bit over there, so I need to go back into this and just reposition these. Now, to go back into this, you just double click, you're back into Visio, and you can see I've gone off the page a little bit there. So if I just move these up, move this one back onto the page. So you are limited in the size of a diagram, but to be honest, it is a lot quicker to do a flowchart in Visio if you do this than it is to try and play around with the drawing canvas and the shapes and then the connectors, whereas these snap into place. So for a very simple, quick diagram, this is your beast. Click outside, and there you have it. And if I click on it, you can see the object in there, and then you just save that as normal. So that's just a very quick overview of how to embed a Visio diagram into a Word document. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next one.